Welcome to Celebration and Awareness channel. This channel is dedicated to honoring and celebrating unsung heroes, professional bodies and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. Also to show support and solidarity with victims of adversity, injustice, discrimination, racism, prejudice, gender bias etc. by amplifying their voices and sharing their stories. Please stay tuned to the end as we tell Rwanda's story. Let's use today to remember, reflect, and renew our commitment to humanity and the power of forgiveness. A lesson from Rwanda. Secondly, to get update for the upcoming events. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notification for more events. Subscription is free. Now today reflection. International Day of Reflection on the 1994 Genocide Against the Tutsi, Rwanda. Today, we honoring and celebrate the unsung heroes. Rwanda women that survived the genocide, local leaders, human rights activists, survivors, international heroes. Whistleblowers, human rights defenders, moral leaders, social entrepreneurs and everyday heroes. WHO make extraordinary choices, standing up for what is right, even in the face of adversity. The theme of our reflection is remembering, healing, and rebuilding, the path to unity and peace. On this International Day of Reflection on the 1994 Genocide Against the Tutsi, we pause to remember the lives lost, the families torn apart, and the devastating impact of hatred and violence that engulfed Rwanda in the darkest moments of its history. This day serves as a somber reminder of the depths of human cruelty, but also as a powerful testament to the resilience and courage of the Rwandan people in their journey toward reconciliation, healing, and nation-building. The genocide left deep scars, but Rwanda's response, focused on forgiveness, justice, and unity, has become a beacon of hope for countries around the world. This day invites us to reflect on the importance of building societies where understanding, tolerance, and mutual respect are the foundation for lasting peace. From darkness to light, the power of reflection in rebuilding. Rwanda, once shattered by the horrific events of 1994, has undergone an incredible transformation in the decades since. The road to recovery was neither easy nor quick, but the people of Rwanda, guided by a collective spirit of reconciliation, rebuilt their nation from the ground up. It wasn't just about reconstructing homes and infrastructure. It was about rebuilding trust, healing wounds, and fostering unity among people who had been divided by ethnic lines. The government of Rwanda, supported by local and international organizations, took bold steps to ensure that the cycle of violence would never repeat itself. Programs for justice and reconciliation, including the Gacacacourts, enabled Rwandans to confront the past with courage and honesty. The unity of the Rwandan people, their shared commitment to forgiveness and healing, and their efforts to create a more just and peaceful society have made Rwanda a model for other nations struggling with the aftermath of conflict. Reflection and healing. Essential pillars of nation building. The act of reflection is essential for healing and for ensuring that the lessons of the past are never forgotten. The International Day of Reflection on the 1994 genocide is not just about remembering the past. It is about ensuring that the values of peace, unity, and reconciliation are passed on to future generations. The healing process is a collective effort, requiring the participation of everyone, survivors, perpetrators, and the global community alike. By reflecting on the atrocities committed, society can begin to acknowledge the pain of the past, make amends where possible, and pave the way for a more inclusive and compassionate future. True nation building is rooted in the lessons learned from history, in the commitment to never repeat the mistakes of the past, and in the power of collective healing. Rwanda's journey of resilience shows that through reflection, forgiveness, and collective action, a nation can emerge stronger and more united, ready to face the challenges of the future with hope and determination. Testimonies of impact. How support and reflection have helped rebuild lives. Let's hear from 4 individuals whose lives have been deeply impacted by the process of reflection, healing, and rebuilding in Rwanda. Isaiah, a genocide survivor, shares, "After losing my entire family, I thought I would never be able to heal. But through the support of local organizations, I found a community of survivors who understood my pain. The Gacacacourts helped me confront my trauma, not with hate, but with the desire for justice and reconciliation. Today, I am an advocate for peace and reconciliation, and I help others who are going through similar experiences. Healing is a process, but it's a journey worth taking. Marie, a widow and mother, reflects, "The genocide took everything from me. But through the work of various support groups, I was able to rebuild my life. I received training in skills that helped me find a job, and I was also able to start a small business. These organizations not only provided me with financial support but also emotional support, reminding me that I am not alone. Their help gave me the strength to move forward and raise my children with love and dignity." Paul, a former perpetrator, says, "I was part of the violence, but I knew deep down that I had to take responsibility for my actions. The process of participating in the Gacaca courts, where I could ask for forgiveness and listen to the stories of survivors, was not easy, but it was necessary for healing. Today, I work with others who are seeking redemption, helping them find a way to make amends and contribute to a peaceful Rwanda. Reflection and repentance have been my path to reconciliation." Amina, a young woman raised by a survivor, shares, "Growing up, I never truly understood the depth of the trauma my parents went through. But as I grew older, I realized how important it is to honor their experiences and work to prevent such atrocities from happening again. I now volunteer with youth organizations to educate the next generation about the dangers of hatred and division. Through education and reflection, we are building a future of peace, and I'm proud to be part of that. To all who have supported healing and reconciliation, thank you for your dedication. Thank you to all those who have worked tirelessly to support the survivors, perpetrators, and families affected by the genocide. Your efforts in providing emotional, financial, and psychological support have helped rebuild lives and communities. The journey of healing is long and difficult, but your compassion and commitment have made a world of difference to so many. Through your dedication, Rwanda is not only recovering from the trauma of the past, it is thriving as a symbol of hope, resilience, and reconciliation. Today, we honor your work and thank you for your unwavering commitment to peace and healing. Whether you are an individual, organization, or government, your involvement in this process is essential for creating lasting peace and unity. Let us all join hands to ensure that the lessons of the past shape a future where humanity thrives in peace, understanding, and respect for all. Today we stand in solidarity with Rwanda and commemorating the 1994 genocide against Tutsi, and honor the memories of those that lost their lives in the genocide. I hope you are touched by the story and gained some valuable insight from it. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogba Terre. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next, 12th April Day of Human Spaceflight. Please write down the dates and check your notification for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.